Heather Sullivan. I'm a licensed acupuncturist and wellness provider with DrivingTheMidwest.com. I wanted to share with you some tips today to help you relax while you're driving in the car. The best way to remember this is through an acronym called SPA. S-P-A, stretching, posture, and acupuncture, or acupressure. Stretching, you want to make sure that while you're parked at a stoplight or on the side of the road, that you're stretching your neck and making sure that it's loose. The second part, posture, you want to make sure your posture is up and looking straight and not slouching. Acupuncture or acupressure, you want to make sure that you're stimulating this point on your hand. This point actually helps to clear the mind, calm the spirit, and ease tension in the neck and the head. Again, this is Heather Sullivan with DrivingTheMidwest.com, and these are your tips for wellness behind the wheel.